Good morning, everybody. This one's going to be super quick. I'm going to show everybody how to stream to Instagram. There we go. Let me make this a little bit larger so it's easy to see. Yellow Duck, just sign into your Instagram account. And then R2MP, this is what you're going to use. Just a second. So if you pay attention to this monitor right here, where I have the OBS, where you're seeing this video, you're just going to go right over here to settings. Go to your stream. And I always just use custom. And so you're going to take that link.
Which isn't bad, really.
The fuck?
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's just a dip.
Oh, I can't do it while I'm in the stream. Gotcha. That makes sense. Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Memorial Day.
Rule of thumb is generally like maybe anywhere from 70 days.
I guess I'll do a quick project on here. Let's build a website.
It's not overbearing, but what happens is you do this thing after like maybe 2 or 3 hours go by and you're working on the same thing. Basically listen to the
Let's do this on WordPress real quick.
what you instinctively
Did you drop your bone, Keanu Reeves?
start to turn the whole volume up, right? And then all of a sudden, you
Good
don't
girl.
realize it, but then you're at like 90 dB to 100 dB, and it sounds in your mind the same.
Well,
as you fucking
I sure hope I remember this fucking password.
compensate for it. So how does that mean that the slope after like 12K-ish, 10K-ish starts to go down?
All right.
Compensating for it.
We are in.
So by the end of the fucking night, I walk out of the fucking studio.
This guy's crazy. I'm watching Dead Mouse's mixer, and he's always just on it. He's been coding since like 5 a.m. and I don't think he sleeps much. Kind of like why I feel okay with myself. Update. Save that.
Just fucking set it and forget it, which I've been doing a lot over the last like 3 years. It's basically I limit
And actually, let me show you guys how to do the trackers
faster. There's a big red knob
as well.
for my stereo.
So I got that going.
I won't even let me go over 80. So once I hit the top, I could go in the back and then turn the amps up physically, but I just don't because I'm lazy. So I leave the fucking I leave it at 80, and then every time I see that it's hit, I go over.
You guys got to create new properties.
Usually it takes anywhere between 2 to 4 hours for that kind of tinnitus to slope off. At least enough to the point where you don't notice it. It's always there. It's a matter of perception. You either notice it or you don't. Man, that is really annoying. This fucking, I don't know if I like it on or off.
Now the easier way is to just simply get a plugin that does everything. So I like to use Monster Insights.
I don't hear myself talking at all.
And then you can handle most of your settings from here.
Like at this point
So
where
now we have this one
it's too
here.
fucking loud because the mic actually sounds like shit.
Help us beat COVID. I'm good.
Yeah, and so will you, and everyone you know.
What the fuck?
There will be one day where you just don't wake up. I guarantee it.
Boom. Now if we go like this, and then we should be able to test it out. I have my IP mask though, so it might not work. So I don't have any site there right now. Let me see. I could use my cell phone. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, so it works. And then, there we go. So now, how do we avoid that? So what we want to do... shit. both of those. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our admin file, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a filter. It should be right here.
What time is it in LA? It's gotta be like
Exclude, add filter,
70.
filter home.
Oh, he's got
Oh
kids.
man. Oh, this, you gotta be shitting me. Can I select all of them at once? Oh. Well, that would have been fucking helpful. Exclude traffic from the IP address.
Having kids and then being forced to wake up at 7, whether I liked it or not. No, I don't want kids. Fuck that. I want cars. That's the big thing in life for a young adult male, is to make that decision. Kids or cars. You can't have both. No matter who you are.
There we go. So now, across all of my things, I should not get one of these views to count. So that one that we just had should be gone.
Isn't that a Miami thing? Cars for kids?
I did it on with no cookies. That's why. When there's no cookies, you can't tell where it's coming from. So the way you get tracked, by the way,
Where it's like a,
let's
you give
go.
them your own
Let's go anywhere.
jalopnik.
Teach you guys some quick little
It's like a donation thing.
programming stuff. It's in the URL parameter. So let's just look at this right here, and then click on a random thing, and then what we're gonna do is start clicking around.
I thought. I don't.
Fine. So now we should start seeing some ads. So if we click on this ad, you see this right here? That's a tracker.
I had
Anything after this question mark is a tracker. So whenever you're like, oh, am I getting tracked? If there's that question mark, it's right fucking there. That's the tracker. And how you build it is you actually do it in here. And you could actually set up conversion goals. And then you go right here, you can set up a goal. And it's kind of how you create it. So you name it, give it a destination, whatever. And so what you're trying to do is you're trying to actually set little benchmarks. And these little benchmarks help you set up those other things. Sorry, Joel, I gotta turn you down. I can't hear myself think right now. I know why. It's been... I stopped smoking at 4:20 every morning. Now that I'm back at work, it's like a little bit like, not so much. Wow, how many threads are on this thing? And I'm almost out of my quarantine weed. But this prevents me from doing what I'm doing right now, which is like pointless things. Alright. Let's get to it. So, this same thing is right here, but it's easier. So this will do all the things that I just kind of showed you guys how to do, but take it on another thing. And this stuff right here, I don't need it because I know how to do it on this end. So it's kind of a pointless upgrade, but what it does do is I can set up this code a lot better on a site that I built from scratch rather than one that's hosted on WordPress. And I choose WordPress because you could do more with it. It's a little bit, yeah, definitely want that. Alright, we're good. So let's get back to here. And then what we're gonna do is start with something. So just for the sake of right now, I'm gonna export this as PNG. Wait, let me see the size of it. Crop the content, and then what we're gonna do is go to canvas size. And let's just go ahead and make it a perfect square. So we'll make it like 1400. We'll go 1500. 1500 pixels. Unlock them. 1500. Center it. And then hit that resize. Control E, export. Fuck! I forgot about that. How do I do that? I need to turn that gaming mode off. That's gonna drive me insane. FGNON square demo. Wait, where's this going? Alright. Advice. Always, always, always. So you know what? No, I don't want to put it there. I'm going to put it here. That's where I don't want to be. And the whole reason we're doing that is so that way we could do little things. And all you have to know is, and like I said, I use this so often that I know how to work it. And so for this, to drop an image here and see how much code this saves you. It's insane. This is gonna be a pretty big image, so. I don't like it. Okay. Let me... Wait. What the fuck? Didn't I just make that a perfect square? Oh, you bastard. You rat bastard. Well, okay, now it's a perfect square. Now let's scale this image and make it to something I want to work with. So 150 by 150. Boom. And then export as... You know what? Let's just overwrite it. Make it easier. Oh, you fucking bastard. Get rid of that fucker.
But then there was things like this was for PC. This was kind of like the first. Geez, it's not even.
What the fuck? Why is it so fucking small? Or why is it so large? It needs to be smaller.
Yeah. So then this was PC stuff.
I really don't get it.
So a lot of my early music was done on this shit too.
That's weird. Okay, I'm coming back in here. Let me do this. And I don't know what to do with this logo yet. I'm thinking about just putting the letters in. Here, let me create a new layer. go with MV outline.
So making music was literally like programming down, basically, as you had to enter all, data and all that stuff. You had like, channels, either MIDI data or
How do I fucking move it?
well, I guess on looking at it, it might be complicated, but basically you would set your instruments in here, and then you would write your hex code from top down, and so it would play like a player piano sort of
Okay,
stuff.
so it is that simple.
As the data went through a sequence, just trigger like those notes and stuff. But a lot of really old school jungle, like really early Aphrodite, early jungle, like the beginnings of jungle, was done on trackers. I wonder if anyone recording an IT thing, like early techno, was all done on trackers.
Actually, I could probably get rid of this layer. And then give it like a nice little... Wait, can I tell?
Yeah, it's fucked up. Yeah, we didn't have fucking
Uh,
Ableton and loops and wave files back in the fucking day. We had to do it all programmatically in trackers. That's why, like, the entry bar to get
I'm gonna get rid of it, yeah, okay.
music
And then let's reorder these back to how we wanted. This one goes over the top.
now you can just literally download some fucking presets and some VSTs, and then everybody's a musician all of a fucking sudden. It's fucking crazy. So this is the world I come from, and everybody wonders, oh, why are you so bitter? Why are you so mad about these producers? And because they don't know any of this shit. They don't come from it. They can't deal with it yet.
Trying to figure out what looks good. This one's gotta go back.
Shit about this, and it's fucking crazy. Because like I come all the way from Atari ST land through, like, I've seen everything, literally everything.
That goes there.
Like the whole spectrum of like how to make computers and music, other than like the old shit. We're talking like the old analog sequencers and stuff like that. Okay, that might be before my time, but as soon as computers came into the picture, I was on it, and then I've just been riding it ever since. Yeah, but it's so different now. And so every new tool that's ever come out since the Atari ST, I've had to learn, use, figure out, bypass this, just move on to a different DAW or something like that.
That looks better.
Well, yeah, okay, Zoomer, who complains about why boomers are fucking multimillionaires, because this was my whole life. For most producers, Ableton's been around.
There we go. I think that's what I want. No. This one
Just saying, like,
needs to go behind
it's not that black and
this
white.
one.
It's not like, oh, I can just open up Ableton and make a hit fucking song, or na. You know what I mean? It's really not about that.
And then this little guy.
Why do I still hear this? Is it actually not saved?
No, that's not right. Let me move that guy back. There. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Fuck it. Oh, you know what I could do actually is
It sucked then, it sucks now, but it's all we had.
right there. Take this tool
What's even funny too that a lot
and just simply start.
take into effect is that even with that like shit like Impulse Tracker and shit like Octamed and C-Lab and Notator and all that fucking stuff is
There we go.
20, 30 years old. A lot of
gives it a.
like the same basic
Let's do something with
like
this area right here. Uh,
delegates like user input is actually used in even the most modern software today. So that's why I can download any VST and then figure it out in like 2 fucking seconds because I know all the groundwork that was done fucking before as opposed to, coming in and fucking, eating some Chipotle and then saying, I don't know what this knob does, it just makes it sound way better. Like, you don't know because you don't know shit. Because you're fresh. You fucking just born in the wrong fucking time frame when you talking that level of shit. Why is my mic clicking so much? Oh, probably because yeah, can you imagine it having to know mathematics to use
okay, that's what I gotta do.
I can switch to my
And somebody who was in graphic design much of their life, they kind of just gave me some ideas and like, hey, you're gonna get good at it. It's just it takes a lot of fucking time and how to have like an eye out for things. And I'm like, all right, well, but a lot of things just have to do with patience and other things. So let me try going a little bit bigger. There we go. It's getting that touch right. So now that I like that better, I'm gonna save it. Let's now collapse that layer, and then what we're going to do is add a new layer group again.
At that level, you just pay a guy to do it because there are
Why?
professionals out there that know how to do it. You know what I mean? So I don't blame him. I'm not throwing shade because
Um,
me personally,
overlay. I have a couple ideas here. And
I can imagine like honestly
new
throwing
layer
it on his
group.
house and we just shit out the same 3 chords and add some chip on fucking vocals on top of it. Insane.
Let's make it.
That so I have no
And then
problem with that. It's not like it's
so here's the concept. I'm gonna either put text over this. Oh, let me do one more actually. I have one more idea. And then this would be cut out. I'll try cut out. Fuck. Why is this thing so large? I can't believe the size of this thing, but okay.
I wasn't making any money. That was just hobby shit. I wasn't actually music industry. I was working a day job.
Much better. Gotta bring this out. I gotta start using this back support thing. That's what I got this chair for. That'll work. So my idea is this: is like I could either have that with some text right here, and then here, what I'm going to do is let's see how it's gonna look on mobile.
It's eyes and ears.
So if that's 75, this whole section $284. So that means if I want to go 75 tall by it, and I have 284 to play with right here, and then also I just noticed something that I'm gonna change here. Let's leave that like that here for mobile responsiveness, but still keep that padding there for the right on the left. And then how much room do I have to work for here? 446. But we're going to do mobile first design, so all right. 284. So let's try this. Let's try layer, image, canvas size. What if we go 3x? That'd be 150, 225. What did I say? I have 284. That'll work. So width, let's go 4500. Perfect. And so now I can actually put some text right here if I needed. And the text thing on this, I haven't really figured out how to, let's just fucking try it. So we'll put this in the aside. So new layer. Text 1.1. So now that we're in this layer, let's try to see if I can use this thing. Wait, are you shitting me? How? Oh my god. That's not good. I don't know which font I want. Oh, I was gonna say, there's no way I'm gonna know all these names. Is that the fucking sample size I get? That's not cool. You know what? Let's find out. No. I just want to see the fonts. This is the stuff that I can't fucking do. Ugh. Word market. There we go. And then we'll copy this. Oh, you bastard. Fucking bastard. Wait, you know what? Let me just do... I don't know what this is, but let's add it. Shut the hell up. I need more fonts. I just need... What the fuck? Much better. I just did all that for that? Oh, you. This is what I need. I'm not gonna give you $2 for fucking dark mode. I'm good. Oh, I can't get Google Fonts. Try this once? Alright, let's try this once. Can't fucking get it wrong now. Amica's pretty cool. You know what? Let's write that down. Which one is that? Amica regular. Trying to go with something elegant though. This is what I'm not good at. I was told to ask for a name or to get a name for this new little thing. Never worked. Oh, you know what? I should probably check the quality of the stream as well. I keep forgetting to change the stupid titles. Let me get out of here. Wow. Yeah, let me show you guys this. So, I'm not sure if you can see it. But this is insane. Now, my computer can't do anything like that. Like, to render something that big, he's got about, he just said it this morning, actually, about 100 grand into his, 100 grand into his computer. And this is a computer that I mounted on this TV, so then I could have, like, 2 desktop system, which, for the stuff I do, I use it a lot. Seems like overkill, but... You know, when you're trying to build a startup, you kind of have to. Ooh. I like that one. I actually think I like this one better than the first one. Assistant Light. And, you know, don't worry about not being able to find it, but... Oh, man, this is going to be a big-ass list. You know what? It's okay. This might be like one of the most important parts, but you see what I'm trying to go for here is I'm trying to figure out what to do here. Oh, you know what would be actually really fucking cool? Despite this logo being, in my idea, pretty cool, you could actually invert it and then just have a cutout of the state of Nevada as well. Or I could have no header. No headers are pretty cool. Here, I'll show you what a site would look like with no header. Because I don't want to waste like a lot of time necessarily getting into something. So like let's go back to here. And then just for the sake of right now, let's put this on.
Yeah, maybe I'll go for a swim later.
I'll post for now. And then go back to there. Add new. Header, boom. Header none. Display on entire website, and bam. So now that allows us to do a page sample without header. And see what's cool about this, and I like using Elementor because the whole purpose is it's really hard to do things without that. So have the full width here, and then we gotta actually, for the sake of this, not going to. But let's go ahead and style this whole section. We're gonna add an image, upload files. And oh, that's a big file. I gotta just do this for an example and then stop. Because the whole thing is, if this doesn't take up too much of your time, I don't really consider it a waste of time. Plus, I'm just going to save the idea and can it for later. So if I don't like it here, I know that I'm going to like it somewhere else. So I don't necessarily consider this a waste of time. Plus, it's not even 8 a.m. I like this. I like this because it actually... Oh, whoops. Let's write something to Joel. More GPU and stuff. He was talking about spending $50,000 on fucking new graphics cards, which is insane to me. So, and then this is still going to be used because I could use this. The problem with going with Google Fonts is a lot of times the Safari editions, and literally the only reason I even got one of these, an iPad, not the only reason. I was going to get a tablet to replace my laptop, because basically I could just have either this one or this one hooked up at any time, and then I could access it remotely using this iPad. So I could pretty much compute using an iPad because I get access to a PC at home, or PCs. So I didn't really need another Android. Plus, it really helps to be able to have an iOS device, so then that way you could test shit out accordingly. So, anyways. Yeah, so we could actually go with something like this and create what's called like a big hero. And then at this point you can do something similar, but instead of having a header, you're building your own. Let's make sure to take that, oh shit. Boxed, let's not go boxed, let's go full width, and then now let's do this. Let's do new layer. Let's see why. White overlay. And so let's turn this one off. And then what we're gonna do, ha! Dang it. Remember that SVG layer that I had? That would have been nice. Um, is there any way to? Oh man. Fuck, that sucks. Oh, that really sucks. Wait a second. Haha. And then
What are you, my fucking wife? I was at Common Center. You're either my wife or you're fucking stupid. One of pick one.
and then what we'll do is delete this one. And so with this one, what we'll do is drop the white.
Chimes in on my personal fucking affairs. Like he's got some kind of fucking position. Oh, come on. You don't know how our relationship works and how fucking things are run on that level. Like,
Okay. And then
business coming in here with a fucking presumption like that. So that. That's right. So why don't you see your way out of it?
oh, that's funny.
Complaints.
All right. So now we have a couple of concepts, right? So we could do either way. So you kind of see how like what I did wasn't necessarily a waste of time because this could be used and applied differently. And there's other ways to do it too. Like you could go right here and add a mask, or you could even do something cooler with it, like invert the image. Right here, you can go to invert. I'm on the wrong layer, but let's go here. Let's go here. Oh, I have the worst allergies ever. Oh, you know what though? I totally forgot about that whole thing. mm. So that's not what we're gonna do yet. But while I do that, let's add a background overlay. Just make it black. Man, this helps with your programming so much because you don't have to like sit there and be typing this out. You know, on mobile, just because of the way backlight works, you want to go a little bit darker because it does. That looks pretty good. So in this case, we'll do this and then export it, replace it, export it, import it. Ah, you son of a bitch, I forgot. Oh, went too quick for myself. Now I gotta do it again. Replace it again. Export it and import it. Oh, shit. I did the wrong thing. That's funny.
Right? For example, or a media entity or a limited liability or anything like that, I could have fucking sued him for millions of fucking dollars. So why is it somehow
this isn't a perfect square now.
I see no fucking difference there. It's actually fucking.
Oh, that sucks. Let's see. What's the aspect ratio here? Or should I just cheat real quick? Yeah, I'm just gonna cheat real quick. Because why the hell not?
ID is ID is ID. Like
Wait.
it's black and white. It's not just oh.
Where's the canvas size? There we go.
Do and they only make like $10-20 a month off of it.
I just took this thing off. And then let's go ahead and scale this image down. Make it 75 by 75. Bam.
Because like things like this, right? So this is what consolidation is. It's like removing
View. Fit in window. Ooh, too small. Oh shit. Fit in window. Shit. I just.
But this is the thing I wish Ableton did. So I wish I could have one track, 4 plugins on it, but take 4 discrete MIDI channels. It doesn't really let you do that, unfortunately. So if you do this, right, like, this is what I was thinking, right? So you can have like your MIDI.
I'm just gonna keep it at its full size and then render it smaller here. So let's delete that. And then let's delete this permanently. Upload fucking file. This is taking entirely way too long, but now revisiting this. This is cool. Baloo. Is that thing finally done? It reminds me of that dude from Lion King or whatever the fuck. Not Lion King. 150 is too small, so we're gonna do custom. But now that we have a square, we don't have to guess. Perfect. Yeah, I really like this way better actually. But then you don't have like that whole global thing. But we could actually make every page individually this way. Because it wouldn't be hard. You would just copy the style and then replace the image in the back. And then you could have the informative pages have a nav bar. That's what we're going with. All right, great. So now let's get the links up. Is there a way to search? Oh, icon list. Perfect. And let's go ahead and erase 2 of these. Just set up one of them. And then, oh, that reminds me before I forget. I am a worthy for I am a man. I am a worthy for I am a man.
But then you have to add
Yeah, we're gonna go this way first.
But here's the thing, is your
And then
send all of them, right? So if you just start
how do I do the vertical align?
yeah, this is my problem. Because you can't for this MIDI data, you can't discretely hit one of those. Unless you set like a range, you know. Like this shit. You know.
I could do line height here, and then that would bounce it up or down. See this little blue square? When you're programming, you want to be able to, like, you know, justify that. Let's worry about the styling later. Let's just get this all dialed in, you know, because this, it doesn't matter. Not yet anyways. So let's just worry about this. So home, that'll obviously go home. And then bam. So now you have like lube. I personally don't like doing a home anymore. Yeah, I'm not going to. If I don't like it, why even do it? Let's do an about. And then this will go to /about. And so we'll add this on list of things to build. Was it here?
So if I go to the opacity value of the first one, right? So okay, so we're automating that one and sending
And I'm super picky, so like I'm like, oh, this is a bad thing. I hate odd numbers. There's plain text. Perfect. And then this is where the text is going to start coming into play. So we have an about. Wait, we'll just duplicate it. We'll say 4 times. So in that way we could start styling this thing. So if we insert something and then remove it, it should bring all of them. There we go. It's got this weird like little lag thing. So you see how it's vertical? And there we go. Okay, so now let's start styling it.